G-Shock watches are tough. I mean, really, really tough. Let's take the back off and see what we've got. Oh, that looks a bit mucky. Things to watch out for. I don't like the look of these tiny little springs. This is how you would do it with a traditional watch. The plastic is there to stop scratching any part of the dial. Okay, and the last one. And just putting them nice and safely away. A little bit worried about the stepper motor, whether or not that's going to fire up. Okay, the battery is an SR726. Look at that. That is cool.